you real quick about did the founder, Jean, does she like to dance? Was she a fun lady? I picture her being a real fun lady.
Jerry, was Jean fun? She was fun. I don't know about the dancing.
Okay.
But she loved to have a good time. She loved to host dinner parties. Oh. Like when she would come up, we would go out to dinner a lot, and she always loved a round table so that you could see each other's faces instead of a long table where you have to lean in and look at the guests.
That's incredible. You know what? I have a square table at my house for that reason. It fits 8 people, and it's a perfect square for the very same reason.
Yes. So she was a lot of fun. She said a lot of funny things, and she just became beloved here at QVC.
Aww.
So
I'm so glad that we get to carry her beautiful designs still here. All right, this is the Quacker Factory Daisy Double Duo set of 2 3/4 sleeve tops. You get a round neck top and a V-neck top, 2 different colors. $64.98 is the sale price for 2 tops.
Wow,
so that's $32.50 each. That's a really good deal. And the sizes are extra small through 5X. I'm going to show you the colors real quick. Here is spring hat and watering can. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Little watering cans and a spring hat. Oh my goodness, a real hat on there.
Yes, yes.
All right, here is bees and cherries. Absolutely adorable. Oh my goodness.
And notice they all have daisies as well.
Oh, they all do.
They all
You're
do.
so right. I'm going to go through and just look at each piece of embroidery up close. And last call on the hearts and shamrocks.
I did not know that
when I 100 left. And what I love about this, you're getting 2 holidays in one.
2, exactly. I think that's why this set was the most popular yesterday. And so I didn't realize that we had so few, or I would have chosen a different set. So my apologies to you. But I know there were still a handful of 1Xs available.
Okay.
That's what I'm wearing.
All right.
So there's a whole story to this. So of course, we love our sets of 2. We've done sets of 2 for a long time. 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Both have 3/4 length sleeves, yet, as you said so beautifully, 1 round neck, 1 V, soft V. It's not a sharp V, a soft V neck. But then you're getting the daisy story. Now, Jean loved the movie You've Got Mail, and she loved daisies. The character Meg Ryan says, I love daisies because they're the happiest flower. And Jean just loved that line. So we continue to put daisies within different pieces throughout all of our collections. And so that's why you have that running theme for you. But you're still getting that great quality, beautiful t-shirts, nice and vibrant on the pink and the green. And then the other colors are a little softer.
Okay.
Now this is coral, and I would call this lilac ice or lavender, the base color. But this coral is a little bit more on the orangey side.
Yeah.
So I just want to point that out to you for those of you that are familiar with our corals. But this is for the gardening lover in your life, or maybe you are that person. I'm not that person.
I'm aspiring to become that person.
Good for you. Good for you. But you see, but no matter what, I really encourage you, please wear a hat.
Yes.
When you're outside, protect your skin.
Absolutely. This is a good reminder for that. And it's impossible to not feel happy looking at this. I mean, this is cute as can be, adorable.
Absolutely
so
adorable.
Cheerful.
And then lastly, we have now motifs that have been popular in our line for 3 decades. Cherries, daisies, and bees. So you have, it's just fun, it's whimsical. This is everything that Quacker is.
Yeah.
Beautiful quality, great design, fun, whimsy, and you're getting it in a set of 2.
Yeah, what a great value.
Yes.
So again, the original price on this was $71. You're getting 2 now, so that comes out to $32.50 each. So I would say this is a lot of bang for your buck.
Absolutely. Luann, 5'9", almost 5'10", wearing the size small. It looks extra small or small.
Okay.
I don't remember from yesterday. I apologize.
No problem.
But sometimes the models have to wear what's available.
Right.
So we don't always.
Let's talk about the
length.
The length of it. It says 26.5 to 28.5 inches. So that's a nice length. It's got that split. Do you want to show it on? Oh wait, does it have a split? Yeah, it's a little split right there.
Little side
too.
vents. We like to do that.
Perfect.
For ease of movement over the hips, as you can see. Pardon me, I'm 5'8", I'm wearing the size 1X. This is going below the fold of my leg, which is exactly where I like them to hit because I'm a little long in the torso and I'm self-conscious about my tummy. So I like to have that coverage there. If anything is shorter than that, I'm like, no way, I'm not doing it.
It's a great length.
It really is a great length. And I also have broad shoulders and longer arms. So I love a 3/4 length sleeve because it doesn't matter where it hits you. It can hit you pretty much anywhere.
You know, I have broad shoulders and long arms too.
There we go.
Yep.
See, we're a match made in heaven.
Yeah, almost the same height too. I'm 5'7".
And I'm 5'8".
Yeah,
exactly.
Okay, great.
Exactly 5'8". But you know, this is, if you didn't get a chance to see this yesterday, don't miss out on this because it's 2 holidays in one. You have your St. Patrick's Day top, you have your Valentine's Day top. But as I like to say, don't keep your hearts only for February. Wear them all year long, please.
Yeah.
We need to spread love and joy as much as we possibly can. And sometimes just wearing something that's Quacker Factory starts a conversation.
100%.
And that starts a friendship.
Yeah.
And Jean Bice could have never in a million years dreamed that she dreamed about coming to QVC. But she could have never dreamed how much one shirt started so many friendships.
Well, she kind of did the impossible, and that's a good metaphor for this bee right here that I'm pointing at.
Go ahead, tell me. I know the story, but you tell me.
Well, I'm going to butcher the story a little bit, but I heard a little bit because Joan Rivers has the bee pens, and she said bees accomplish the impossible. They don't even know they can fly.
Yeah. They don't know that they can't fly. That aerodynamically speaking, bees are not designed to fly because their bodies versus their wingspan, it doesn't calculate.
Wow.
Right?
It's a miracle.
But they don't know, and they fly anyway. And so it's not true for so many of us.
Never listen to the doubters. That's the moral of the story, right?
Exactly.
All right. Here's the choices. Here's the bees and cherries. That's a light blue and a pale yellow.
Yep.
Here is the shamrock and heart.
I think this is our spearmint.
Last call on
And
this
azalea.
4 dozen left. It's a bright green and a bright pink. And here is the watering can and the sun hat, or spring hat, I should say. And that's kind of a light coral and a light purple. $64.98 for a set of 2. That's item number A681 at 276. Our big deal is coming.